Hello everyone, it's 20th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. On the first page, we have India's Russian oil cuts predate US tariff says data, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have SC strikes down provisions of Tribunal Reforms Act, tells government to set up panel, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have Apex Court allows CAQM to take proactive steps to keep Delhi pollution in check, again very important from environment perspective. Then we have MCD to buy new sweeping machines to curb pollution, again very important for environment perspective. Going forward, we have government hospitals in Delhi to have color-coded bed sheets for visual assurance of cleanliness, again very important for health perspective. Moving forward, we have the threat of digital tradecraft and terrorism, again very important for cybersecurity as well as internal security perspective. Then we have Zohran Mamdani and the economics of democratic socialism, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Going forward, we have Bangladesh invites NSA Ajit Doval to visit Dhaka amid tense ties, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have SC advisory today on presidential reference on governor's timeline, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have climate talks veer away from implementation, again very important for environment perspective. Then we have NCDC flag study on rising antibiotic resistance in India, again very important. Then we have with 75 max fly Dubai bets big on Boeing after Airbus order, again very important for again very important news. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have US confirmed sale of $700 million air defense missile system to Taiwan, again very important. Then we have Trump defense MDS designates Riyadh as a major non-NATO ally. Then we have Russian strikes kill 25 in Ukraine as Zelensky arrives in Turkey, again very important. Israeli airstrikes kill 25 Palestinians in Gaza, rattling truce. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.